Hi guys, it is Eve and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can obviously tell by the title, I'm doing a lot of hand actions. And as you can obviously tell by the title, in today's video we are going to be doing a haul from Bardot. Now, all of these clothings, like I've picked up from maybe 2 years now, and these aren't all the clothes that I have more, but I just thought why not show you a little bit of my clothes, because otherwise we'll be here till midnight and I don't want this video going for 24 hours. I've got 9 different clothings today. Some of them are jeans, like this top, but like different jumpers, singlets. One's a really cool like top, but goes into like it's like a dress, but then goes into a top, but then could also go into a dress with a nice slip. So yes, there's a lot of different things. Also, before we get started, I've never done a haul on my channel before, and also like with reviewing, after I showed you the item and reviewed it, since a lot of these items are out of stock now, they're not like producing them. Movie producer for sale. Why did I do that accent? Why did I say movie producer for sale? I know. So let's get started. I've also got a Bardot bag here, because I recently did go to Bardot, so I just found the Bardot bag. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the jumpers. So the first one is this. I followed it up. It is this Mercy jumper. So this is like what I'm wearing. It's a half shirt or something, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, I forgot what it's called. There's a hoodie with it. They've got strings to pull on. It's like an airport. There's a long sleeves. The material, like in this, if you look at it, like it's not fluffy at all. This material isn't fluffy. If you see by the rip, they didn't really cut it that well. Like if you just look at that. Here. So here are the shrivels. As you can see, they have stitched them up a little bit, but it's not the best. Like I know, like some of them are already coming out and it's really thin at the very bottom. Also, if you pull it apart, you can like see my face through it, if you can see. Hi. So yes, it's not like the best material. It isn't the cheapest material. I was trying to find this on the Bardot website, and they only come up with these. So that first one is the exact same. It's got the love hearts on it and it says cherry, Mon Cherry. I think it was $50, $60 or $40, something like that, in that range. So this is it. Okay, so we will keep going with jumpers. This is in that next one. I love the color of this. I would have wanted it maybe a little bit pinker. I think I did get it a little bit pinker over time. Like washing it and that kind of stuff, it turns to this color. So it has got holes in it. It does get ribbons put through it, but I did take them out because I didn't like them, and they just kept falling apart, and I've had to like just keep tying them up, and it's really annoying because it's also really hard to tie up. So these have got fake pockets. I just hold this up without the hoodie. There's a hoodie on it. So yes, inside the material, it's not see-through, so that's good. And like you can see the sun through it, but it's not that see-through, so that's good. Also on the hoodie there are some strings, or what you want to call them, and they're just like fake. See, they won't actually pull out, and they are stitched in. You can kind of like see the stitching, so they didn't really cut off the access. As you can see, that is the stitching, and it is like up, and it's not that, but it's the same on the other side. So yes, this was so going with another jumper, there is this grey one that says #1 girl, be #1 girl, and it is a big jumper. It's got that material that it's not fluffy. You can't see me through it, so that's good. There are black arms, and there are like holes, or not holes, like where you can adjust how like long the arm is and how big the hole is. So your elbows will go through this hole. The hoodie is the same material, and it's just with these two. Now going on to like singlets and tees, which are t-shirts. This is one of my favorites. I love this. Like, I cannot let go of this. I just love it so much. So it is this top, and it is a purple, nice pattern top. It is not see-through. And it is also very silky. This, I love the material, but this is where it comes like, ugh. So I can't remember how long ago I got this, but look at this stitching. It is horrible. So this is the stitching. It is really, really bad. I don't know if this is over time, or it's just that I've never really noticed it since the shrivels cover it up. I think they purposely did it because the shrivels cover it up like that. But overall, this is a really nice top. I absolutely love it. I love the pattern. It has got a zipper at the back. So going with another, it's like it's not a singlet like that, but it's kind of like a singlet, I guess. It's got thicker arms though. So this is this is it. It is a flower patterned, it's like a mesh kind of thing. It is a see-through, so you kind of wear it like with your bathers, and you just put it over the top for going to the beach instead of wearing like full leggings and full like top like this. So especially on hot days, you would kind of wear this. I don't have a problem with this. The stitching isn't coming out, which is really good, especially that they've got like mini mesh holes there. And also they've got like things on the ends and they haven't fallen off, which is good. And the stitching seems to be like really, really good on this one. So yes, this is what you'd kind of, this is it. It's got like little shrivels on the bottom. As you can see. Okay, so I've never kind of seen something like this. I may have seen it like on Instagram and that kind of stuff, but it is this. It's really long. So it does go down to, it's like a dress, and it's got a really big slit in it. So like from here, like when I wore it, I was maybe a little bit shorter than I am now, and I thought it was a dress, and I was wearing it, and then all of a sudden I looked at my leg, and you could like see my leg, and like you could see up from it, like, and I thought it was a dress, and I'm like, oh my god, what is wrong? Did I get a size too small or what? And then we kind of looked on it on the website, and we saw that you had to like, from this you have to like, you have to tie it up like this and then put it through the hole and then just tie it, and then it just stays there, and it's actually really nice. I really like it. You can't see me through, well you can a little bit see me through it. That's in like the white bit, otherwise that's in the white bits. For the black bits you can't see me. Now these are my dresses. The first one I have, it is my profile picture dress. This is this grey one. I love this dress. I also love the sleeves because you are able to put your shoulder, through it. It is a nice material. It's not itchy at all, so that's good. If I pull it, you can see me. All of these you can like see me through it. All of them, even though you may pull the material apart, I've worn all of these clothes and none of them you can see through. So maybe it's just if you pull it like really tight or hard or something. And since I've also got a ring light, so it's probably giving a lot of light. So yes, overall I love this. This hasn't got any really bad stitching. It's all really good stitching at the ends for the dress. The dress is this black dress. It has got many shrivels on the ends. It is actually a really good material, but it is a little, it's really itchy around the arms. So as you can see, there is like, this one isn't the best made, and it's got like this big elastic band all through it to like stretch the arms, because as you can see it's really stretchy. As well as the bottom, And they've also got like this thing through it, and you can also see the stitching through it. See, that is the stitching through it, and that's what is in the inside, and it's not the most comfortable to wear at all. And if you pull it, you can't see me through it at all, because it's like really thick and heavy material. And the last thing that I've got is jeans, because I've shown you like all things that you don't wear on your legs, because you don't wear jumpers or t-shirts on your legs. So these are the jeans. They have got a slit in it at the bottom, and I absolutely love it when I wear the jeans a lot. I'm just flicking it all on my shoulder. Where I wear the jeans a lot, because it starts to get like these things through it, and it looks really cute. I like it. So these are them. They're not see-through. They are like stretchy around here, which I kind of find sometimes annoying. And they've also got these, and they're really big, these ones, which is kind of annoying. Some have got mini, like mini pockets, as you can see. And they've got back ones. The back ones are bigger. And they've got little bow, like cross, like, I was about to call it bows, but you could just call it like 2 rainbows or something going across them. One single rainbow. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and like this video if you liked it. And if you want to see more of my face, make sure you go follow me on Instagram, and I'll have it in the link down below like I always do in all my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!